3, 2, 1, let's go.
Halo friend, salam semangat sobat belajar, semoga hari kalian dan keluarga selalu sehat, bahagia dan sukses. Amin. Oke friend, kesempatan kali ini saya akan share source kode sistem prediksi kelulusan menggunakan algoritma naive Bayes. Sebelum kita eksekusi codingnya, jika kalian mendownload coding dan database sistem ini dengan mudah, silahkan bayar dengan like, komen dan subscribe. Terima kasih friend. Sebelum kita eksekusi, mari seruput dulu kopi friend. Pertama, kalian download file source kode sistem ini pada link yang ada di deskripsi, password file RAR-nya ada di dalam video ya friend, untuk kali ini password-nya ada dua ya friend, pertama password file coding, kedua password file database-nya, simak terus jangan di skip 1 detik pun ya friend. Kemudian ekstrak file RAR tersebut. Setelah selesai silahkan kopas ke dalam folder htdocs. Jangan lupa kita aktifkan exam ya friend. Lanjut, kita akan buka browser untuk melihat tampilan dari sistem. Silahkan kalian panggil alamat sesuai nama folder sistemnya. Jika tampilannya seperti ini, maka dipastikan database belum ada. Oke, buka tab baru lalu ketikkan localhost /php myadmin. Kemudian kita buat database dengan nama yang disesuaikan dengan koneksi pada file coding database, lalu lanjutkan proses import database yang sudah tersedia di dalam file database yang sudah kalian download sebelumnya. lewat channel YouTube Kasep Kode, jangan lupa bantu push like, share dan subscribe ya friend.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Pada halaman kuesioner, kalian boleh tambahkan perintah printout untuk mencetak hasil dari perhitungan yang telah dilakukan. Sebaiknya dalam bentuk sebuah laporan ya friend.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and meal. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Let's go!